This video is going to show you the 12 iMessage tips and tricks that you may not know about. So sit back, relax, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, check out my channel Tech Tips for more ways to get the most out of your phone, and let's get into it. Messages with Siri. I probably send half my messages on this app with Siri. It's just so much faster. Perfect for driving. Siri will also type out punctuation, like, "Hey Siri, send a message to John saying, 'Morning mate, comma, you coming today?' question mark.
Your message to John Parkin says, 'Morning, mate. Are you coming today?' Ready to send it?"
Pinning. You can pin your most frequently contacted friends to the top of the app inbox by holding down their message stream and hitting pin, or by swiping the message stream to the right. Bitmojis. Messaging is more fun when you can add a picture to the name, and why not make your most common contacts to a Bitmoji? To make your friend a Bitmoji, just tap on the message stream and then open their contact tab info and edit their contact photo. You can see the option to add a Bitmoji below. Bitmoji and Animoji videos. If you touch this icon and swipe up, you can take a video of your face as an Animoji or Bitmoji and send it. Hello, what are you doing today? Bitmoji and Animoji stickers. If you touch this icon, you can either send an expressive Bitmoji or Animoji in response to a message by dragging and dropping it onto iMessage, or just by tapping it to send it. When you're dragging it, you can also enlarge and spin the icon by pinching them. Sending with effects. Once you type a message, instead of tapping the send arrow, hold it down. You now have the option to send it with a screen effect or a message effect that the recipient will have play upon opening the message. Groupchats. If everyone has an iPhone and iMessage turned on, I know, classic Apple, then you can make an iMessage group chat by typing everyone's name as a new message recipient and then sending it a text. Once in the chat, you can address someone individually by typing @ before their name. You can then give this group chat an icon or a photo. However, if even one person has an Android or does not have iMessage turned on in settings, then the text will simply be sent out as an outgoing message to everyone individually. Message reacts and replies. Double tap or hold down on a message to either react to it with one of 6 options. You can also tap reply to send a specific reply to that message. Note that this only works if the other person has an iPhone. You can still react to messages, but if they have an Android, it will just text them and say that you reacted. Audio messages. This only works if you both have iMessage in settings activated. Before you type a message, tap the little icon where the send arrow usually is. Now you can record. Say what you need to say, then tap send. Sending exact location. To send your exact location via text to someone, just tap on the other person's contact at the top of the screen. Then choose to either send them your exact location or share your location with them for a specific period of time. Auto-deletion of old messages. Not that it's a big problem now that everyone has a lot of storage on their phone, but you can have all your messages older than 1 year set to automatically delete to save space on your phone. Just go to settings, scroll down to iMessage and hit keep messages. You then have these 3 options. 30 days is probably a bit risky, so I'd go for one of the 2 other options. Now that you've mastered the iOS 14 messaging app, the next tech tip I want to show you is how to touch type on a laptop. Coolest feeling ever when you know how. The video drops next week, so subscribe to get notified.